Pero I'm sure by Sunday, we need to step up again. Do or die game for both teams. Isa lang sisiguraduhin ko rito. Pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung sino man nanalo. So, yun lang ang prediction ko pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to.
You've been battle tested. Game 5 na kayo on your resume, semi-final appearances this year. Do you see it as a good omen entering the final Hero Cup quarterfinals? Hindi pa nakaka-semis ng Converse.
Gustong-gusto namin yung mga ganitong sitwasyon. For a team that's really hoping to develop into a contender, we need these situations. Kailangan namin mga ganitong test sa sarili namin. This is part of the process. Yung sabi ko nga kanina, bago mag-umpisa yung laro, just fight like hell, be smart. After the game, whatever the result is, we will live with it. So, yun lang, just compete, kayo rin nyo lang. Gawin lang natin kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa natin. Manalo, maganda. Matalo, tanggapin natin. But you have to fight like hell.